pitfall number 6 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and hard desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share the next reason why people are failing in their resolutions. And the reason is no accountability. I was chatting a long time ago with a friend of mine, and he's in his 50s, and he and his wife, they love running. And he was sharing with me how if he's running by himself, he will go maybe for 2 miles, maybe a little bit more. But he said, if I have a runner next to me, a partner, I can run much more. I can run for much longer, and it's bigger fun. How interesting is that? And this is an incredible example in life about accountability partner. And this is something which is really, really important. Once we have made our decision, once we have created our resolution, our firm decision to change our life, to improve our life in a specific area, then we need an accountability partner. And this is equal for organizations and for individuals, because accountability is assurance that individual or a company, they are evaluated in a proper times for specific area for which they're responsible. In other words, accountability partner is someone who knows about our plans, he knows about our desires, and is there to help and support us. For that reason, it's really important. Who do you pick to be your accountability partner? Once you have your resolution, find someone with whom you can share your plans, your desires. This could be a family member, it can be a friend of yours, maybe a colleague, someone who you really trust. And it's important really this person to be someone you can trust to share your heart desires, your ambitions to improve your life in specific areas, and someone who can really support you. And this is really, really important, because without accountability, like my friend, I'm not running a lot. Why? Because I don't have an accountability partner. But once I have someone in front of whom I am accountable, then things are much more serious. Then I have someone who will be checking on me from time to time to see how am I going, how is my progress going, am I really chasing my goals and desires, and someone who is there to help me and to support me. And this is where the motivation and the long run running is coming. That's why it's important to have accountability partner. And first of all, this can be someone who is close to you, a member of the family, a friend, someone you know from college, from school, someone who is close to you, who is really supporting you. Also, we all need accountability communities. And that's why it's really important to connect with people who do care about you, who are there to help you, support you, and just to encourage you in your journey of changing your life and improving your life. And for that reason, because people, they're like hiding, oh, maybe I'll try to run 5K till April. But when we don't share this with someone else, when we don't share our plans and our desire, it's really easy to step back and just to forget about them. However, with an accountability partner and community, it's much more easy to run for longer, to run for long time, and it will be a great fun. So the encouragement today is, once you have decided what area you want to change in your life, how want you improve for the next 12 months, even for 6 months, find an accountability partner. Find a community, someone you can go and speak to them. Just open your heart and be honest and say, this is what I want to achieve. Can you just check on me for maybe every 2 weeks, every 3-4 weeks? You can talk with this person, and it's important. Once we have it, it's much more easier to run in a long distance. What is pitfall number 7? I will share in the next video. Thank you for your time. Have the best of your days. Thank you. Bye.